Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Distance Based Accident Avoidance System using CAN protocol and tracking through IoT web page. So here we are using an ARM processor LPC2148 ARM7 LPC2148, a 32-bit processor we are using. So in this project we are using two parts. One is transmitter unit and another one is receiver unit. So transmitter unit will transmit the data through CAN protocol, MCP2515 CAN controller and MCP2551 CAN trans receiver IC and CAN high, CAN low. So it is sending the data to same CAN controller and CAN trans receiver, and it is receiving the data ARM7, and depend upon the distance the PWM DC motor will rotate. If anything happen, the airbag will be open. So airbag will open. So here we are using one IoT web page, iotvehicle.co.in underscore IoT CAN accident. So in this website we are monitoring the vehicle condition. So let us coming into the individual parts. HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor and controller board. So we are measuring the distance. So 1 meter, 0.5 meter and 2 centimeter. So here we are red LED, green LED and orange LED. So display on the 16x2 LCD display, and same to same. So GSM GPRS modem we are using. If anything should be happen, it will send the data to our own server. So here email alert, CAN based accident email alert. Okay, so here we need to log in first. All right. So accident, distance based accident avoidance system using CAN protocol tracking through IoT web page. So accident, so we will see the data with the sensor data. Okay, yeah, let us coming into the transmitter part. So here we are using HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor we are using, and 8051 controller board to measure the distance, and output should be sent to P0.4567. 4 is the 100 centimeter distance, 100%, and P0.5 is 60%, P0.6 is the 30%, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we are measuring the 4 conditions, and here we are using one LM324 operational amplifier. For level conversion purpose we are using. So our 8051 controller board should be send the data to LM324. LM324 will send the data to ARM processor board. Here LPC2148 board we are using, and 16x2 LCD display, UART0, and this is a reset pin, ISP pin, ISP reset. If you want, you need to reset the button. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. 16. So MCP2515 CAN controller board, MCP2515 CAN controller, 2551 CAN trans receiver, and 120 ohm closed loop resistor. And here I wrote high, low. High means red wire. So after we are removing, you can extend the cable with the board with length also. So 9 volts adapter. Let us coming into the receiver part. So here adapter, and same bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. So here I am using Airtel SIM card. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, any SIM card you can use. RS232 cable, USB to UART programmer, and we are providing the USB cable also to change the program. So here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED, LPC2148, 12 MHz crystal, 64 pin IC, QDP IC, total 2 port 0.0 to 0.31, 32 pins, port 1.16 to 1.31, 16 pin, total 48 input output bidirectional pins. You can use anything. So airbag LED, DC motor and alarm. So those are connected with P07 PWM, airbag P05, P06 and P04 alarm. So now I am giving the power supply. So now I am going to start the power supply. Okay, so reset. Okay, here also reset. So distance based CAN measurement. So here all LEDs is on. Okay, only this LED should be on. Okay, 100% LED. So transmitter part CAN okay, no error, 100%. So here HTTP 100%, vehicle is rotating with this fast speed. Okay, so 100 centimeter distance. So now I am taking one paper. Okay, so here it will come as a 60%. Second LED should be on. Yeah, second LED should be on. It is showing as a 60%. Okay, now in the LCD 60%. Oh, CAN no accident. Okay, so now coming into the 30%. So third LED should be on. Here also third LED should be on. Yes, correct, third LED is on. 30%. Yeah, in 30%. Okay, vehicle speed also decreased. Okay, so now coming into the accident. So nearest the obstacle, it will come as a 5%. Yeah, airbag open, LEDs is on, alarm is also on. Okay, now in this accident occurred, we will get email alert also. Okay, 5%, vehicle accident, airbag open. Okay, so now I am removing high. Okay, 100%, 100%, fast speed vehicle, no accident. Okay, so first LED is on. There are total 4 LEDs. So this LED, first LED, second LED, third LED, third to third, fourth to fourth. Okay, so if I am providing like longer distance, second LED is on. Yeah, second LED is on, 60%. 60%, speed decreased. Coming into the 30%. Yeah, 30%. So near the obstacle, all LEDs is on, 5 centimeter airbag. So here it will come as a okay. Yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded. So here CAN protocol, it is connected to these pin numbers: chip select, MOSI, MYSO, SCK, interrupt. Okay, so total 3 programs. One is transmitter program, 8051 program, receiver program, and PHP MySQL database. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.